For me, marriage is almost very simply two very good friends, two best friends living together for the entire life and celebrating their love openly in front of any and every person involved.
Maybe મારા માટે it's all about being through every thick and thin, any situation with that one person for rest of your life.
I see your mind lost inside of your pride. I wish you'd hear me say, the distance between us finds us falling apart. I swear I'll find you again, the same as I was. I'm falling right back into your arms, losing myself in you. All my mistakes are crawling right back into my mind.
The one thing that was going in my mind was, okay, yes, this is the person, and I chose the right one. And looking at you, I started feeling all the qualities in you. I started thinking of all the qualities in you.
Okay, what we are going to do first, I'm going to check your Josh. In this Josh meter, the first challenge is to check the Josh કે તમારા લોકોમાં ખરેખર કેટલો ઉમંગ છે, ઉત્સાહ છે ને જોશ છે. I want to know how much are you ready for this? 1, 2, 1, 3. 1, 2, 1, 3. बजा दीजिए भैया.